Jaden says, I have help desk experience. I have SOC, security operations experience, and done projects in GRC. Do you think I could break into GRC and have done projects? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I think the thing is, like, a lot of times I get folks contacting me, and a lot of times they don't know what to focus on to get into GRC. And just off the top of my head, what you want to focus what they're looking for usually, and it does depend on the industry, but what they're looking for is, do you have exposure to certain frameworks or standards, and then have you applied those frameworks or standards or with into an environment? And you'll know if you have applied security features to a system, for example. That's one thing. If you've ever been a part of writing documentation for the organization, like example would be a security policy, but that's pretty big. But like a standard operating procedure, not necessarily just for security either, a work instruction. They want to know that you're applying some of the frameworks. And a specific example would be the NIST 800, right? NIST 800 being applied to an organization is the type of stuff that they are looking for, because that's what you're doing when you're doing what's called, let's say, a plan of action and milestone documentation. You're applying the security policies, which are based off of an actual law or legislation. You're applying that to the environment. So they want to know, and you got to put that in your resume. So to answer your question, with a help desk experience, SOC experience, and a little bit of exposure to project management, can you break into GRC? Yeah, like you absolutely can. What would you say to that, PBO?
He said he was doing GRC work. Now you're
I
100%
mean,
correct.
that's
I'm like, all
what do
right,
you
because
want me to say?
yeah, and I think too is, and I tell people when you hit it on the head, everybody know I'm an 800-53, but there's NIST CSF, there's HIPAA High Trust, there's CGIS, there's a ton of frameworks. You just got to be able to, like you say, especially a lot of times in those federal environments or state environments, what framework has you applied, because that's really what they're looking for.
Yeah, you said before, PBO, that you were a NIST 800 bigot.
I am. I'm a 53 guy, man. I'm going around poo-pooing the CMMC. I just be on people's. I be attacking people on that CMC. How you gonna have less controls and be more secure? But
Yeah, I love that one.
but CMC is a good one. And to be honest, I'm pivoting more to CMC because I don't know if they're phasing out 853. CMMC just has the momentum and everybody's over top of it.